Hello and welcome to Cooking the Books with Heather. Today we're going to be making a quick, it's a spice mix. It is not very quick. We're going to be making Garam Masala from the Dishoom cookbook that we have just started. I've already put the things that are sort of measured by the piece on my baking tray. I have a bay leaf, I have some cinnamon sticks, I have black cardamom pods, and cloves. That's already on there. The rest of the stuff I have to measure by the gram. So I'm going to do that. Black peppercorns, coriander seeds, fennel seeds, cumin seed, I have star anise, and mace blades. I had to find this at the Indian store, the Indian grocery store near me, which I also had to go there to find the black cardamom and the dried rose petals, which we're not going to put on here, but we are going to use later. All right, that is all we need for this. I'm going to kind of spread it out a little bit. Good enough. This is going into the oven at the lowest setting you can do. This, they suggest 50 degrees centigrade, which is about 120 Fahrenheit. However, my oven goes only as low as 170 degrees. So I will be keeping an eye on it. I don't know if it will burn at that temperature. Hopefully not. 2.5 hours. While that is baking, I'm going to measure the rose petals and poppy seed, because then we put that onto the tray, turn it back in, put it back in the oven, and just turn it off. And then we let that be off. And then we leave that in the oven while it's off for about 30 minutes to cool. Whether it will cool or not, I don't know. My oven doesn't cool down all that quickly, but... and then we'll be back to grind it. My spices have been cooling for about 30 minutes, and it's time to just grind them all up together. I'm going to have to... I have a coffee grinder. I don't have a specific spice grinder, but this will work, but I have to kind of break these up to get them in there in the first place. So I'm going to throw in first the sort of larger pieces. So everything won't fit in all at once. So I'm going to get these a little bit broken down and then add more stuff. Because the goal is to make this a fine powder. I think that's probably pretty good. Pretty fine. There we go. There's our garam masala, and that will probably last us for a while. I don't know if it'll last us for all of the recipes in the book, but we'll see. We're going to use this real soon now.